Hi guys, for today's video we're going to be doing our own homemade ice cream. We're going to be doing a strawberry ice cream, and we're going to need frozen strawberries, some heavy whipping cream, and half a cup of sugar. Sugar, but what it calls for. So first things first, we're going to have 2/3 cups. This is a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. It's 1. Two. Now we're going to add half a cup of sugar and some frozen strawberries. We'll add this whole thing of strawberries. How about that?
¿No le vas a echar tantita sal?
I always miss one ingredient because it's the last thing on Alice in the We're gonna do how much? Pinch of salt? That's probably a pinch. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on. Okay. And we're gonna go to our frozen dessert setting. Push it, and it's easy as that, okay? So in the moment it's gonna start up. Don't get scared like that. Don't get scared. It does it like periodically on its own. Alright, so this thing is done. So let's check it out and see what we got. Check that out. Ooh, nice. Ice creamish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in this little cupcake container, and then we're gonna freeze it. That way it'll be more ice creamish. But right now it is. I mean, it looks like ice cream, but like melted. So we're gonna go ahead. Enjoying some ice cream made by yours truly. I'm gonna go ahead for the taste test, guys. Dude, that's the best freaking ice cream I've ever tasted. You know what? I'm not even gonna wait to put this in the freezer. This thing is so good. No lie, this is better than the store. Definitely go with those measurements with the half a cup of the sugar and all that stuff. Definitely best ice cream. It has like a real rich strawberry flavor, guys. It's really good, really delicious. So comment down below which flavor you think you'd like to try. Maybe a mango, maybe some coffee or something. That'd be really good actually. Might even try that. So anyway, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and remember, only the strong subscribe.